Like we're talking about the Odyssey 2800 model, and this is the bass on it. And you can change the pitch on this too. So it has 3 different pitch settings. And if you want to bring some wind into that too, just bring the noise up. And to bring it right out, you have 3, 2, and 1. And this is what it sounds like with all oscillators. That's a beast, right? So you want to take all that back out. Just for that one. Back to 1. Bring that back down. It's more like take the noise out. And that's the Odyssey 2800. So tune into my YouTube channel and check it out on the Troy C. Williamson Show.
All right.
Catch you next time. Peace.